In front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access notifications. Then select App Settings at the top and click on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block notifications. To switch them back on, select the same, now gray switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!